Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name is Charlotte and today I'll be taking you around this approved used 2023 edition Audi Q2 S-Line, complemented in the arrow grey paintwork. Housing your petrol engine, manual transmission and delivering 150 PS, it is an ideal nippy city runaround with plenty of top features to help you out on those open roads, including auto LED headlights for enhanced visibility. And sitting comfortably on your 18-inch alloy wheels, you'd also have the protection of power folding wing mirrors, parking sensors and even the convenience of an electronic powered tailgate. This will reveal plenty of boot space for all of your daily essentials with a 405 litre capacity. And stepping inside, you will find luxury with a part level upholstery with access to your fitted ISOFIX points to assist when installing car seats. Followed in the front by your S multifunctional leather steering wheel and central display, navigated using your below MMI navigation. And for that modernised edge, you do also have your S embossed badging. Looking at the steering wheel in further detail, you do have an array of audio functions, including your controls to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying all of your vital driving data, audio and navigation, with the added protection from your speed limiter and cruise control. And moving across, you do have access to your Audi Drive Select for a more tailored driving experience, alongside your driving assistance features, again for added safety. Of course, you do have a wide selection of radio stations and Bluetooth connectivity to stay connected on the go and of course endlessly entertained. Again, for those unfamiliar areas, you do also have your navigation display, followed by your manual air conditioning controls, handy power outlets and cup holders, and of course your MMI navigation controls. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.